Hello, my name is Laya Rafa Sulistiadi. I'm from 12 Science 2 and I will tell you about Candi Muncar. Muncar has many names, Muncar Lake or Muncar Temple. In Muncar, you will see a wide view of the lake. And the air here is very cold and cools the mind. So, Muncar is suitable as a refreshing place. Here it is also surrounded by lots of plants, making it look shady and adding to the coolness. Muncar is located in the highlands, that's why the water is very cold, but it makes the koi fish live a long life. This is my grandpa's old project. The entry ticket is very affordable, only 5,000 rupiah. So, with 5,000 rupiah, you can feel the mountain air that cools your mind. The koi fish here are very big. You can see how clear the water is. There are also several pigeons bird here. I love to spend time in here because I feel so fresh when I spend time in here. If you are hungry, don't worry, there are several small stalls here. And this is beautiful views that will not make you bored. You should come here and feel for yourself the cold air and water in Muncar. Muncar is also used as irrigation for rice fields. But you have to be careful when going here because the road is very steep. So you have to be more careful, okay? If you have a time, you should visit Candi Muncar in Giri Marto. Thank you so much for watching.